All right, everybody, so here is the long-awaited house tour. I've waited months and months and months to make this video. I know I've hyped it up quite a bit, but yeah, we finally got unpacked. We got most of the stuff done. We're still in the middle of a few projects. The garage has a lot of work to do, but there'll be some other videos about that. But pool's ready to go. The inside's pretty much ready to go, and so I wanted to show you guys what we've been waiting for. So this is a 3-bedroom, and it has 4 bathrooms. 2 of those bathrooms are half baths. One's in the backyard, one's downstairs, and then 2 full bathrooms upstairs. And it's been fully remodeled. 3-car garage. It's about 3,800 square feet, and we paid $800,000 for this. So the property appraised for well over that, and I think it's merited because this neighborhood and the house is awesome. We love everything about it. It was built in 1987, so it has some quirks, but it's really unique and really cool. So I'm happy to show you guys what we're going to do with it and what we've already done with it. So let's get started. So you can come into the house through the 3-car garage, or you can walk up the staircase. And we've already put in the Ring video doorbell. So we have that, and then we also have an August smart lock with a keypad. And then when you walk in, this is what you're greeted with. We haven't done any decorations yet, but we should be getting a new chandelier in here. And when you walk in, you first see Julie's office. So that's how you know I love her. I gave her the nice office. You'll see my office later, but here she is giggling because she knows it's true.
I think this is Roxy's vlog debut.
It might be.
Hey, Rox.
Hi, Rox. You like the house? Yeah, she likes the house.
This is Roxy's house. This is not our house. This is Roxy's house.
Yeah. So one of the first things that we did was there was a chandelier in this room that just did not fit it, so we put this crystal chandelier. I'm not sure if you could see it with the light on because it kind of blows it out, but this table is also one of our offer-up findings. It's from Z Gallery. It's pretty awesome.
We drove to Timbuktu to get it.
Yeah.
It's like an hour away in a U-Haul.
But one of the things I love about this house is all the main windows have these plantation shutters. One of the quirks of this house, given that it's so old, is it has these little vents here. And basically they're just returns for the air conditioner. And you could walk on them. There's nothing really crazy about them, but they're just kind of weird. But this is one of our favorite parts because we like to host. One of our main things is we're going to be hosting Thanksgiving. So having this massive kitchen and this massive island is an awesome addition. So right off the kitchen, you have a little half bath. If you ever get the pleasure of visiting this place, you'll probably get to spend some time in here. But I love the textured tile on the wall. We got to find something cool for this wall, but yeah, just a tiny little bathroom, nothing crazy. And then one of the other things that we upgraded as soon as we got here is we got this little chandelier. Previously they had a fandelier, which was just like an ugly little fan up top with a light in it. But another one of our offer-up scores. This table and the chairs were from Amazon, so fits this room perfectly for not ever being here when we picked out the furniture. But yeah, I love the chandelier. And then right off the kitchen and the eat-in nook is this living room, which is like super cool for entertaining. It's got this like airplane propeller as a fan that is super unique and cool, and then it has like the Italian plaster on the walls. But funny story about this couch, we also got it on OfferUp. This couch was the exact same couch that the previous owners had, and we absolutely loved it. So luckily we scored it on OfferUp, and then Julie's mom got us this little entertainment center that fits perfect in this corner. And man, I fought to get this TV on the wall in this corner, but it worked out. So, and then we've got another little Roxy bed over here for when we're watching Survivor.
For the spoiled brat.
Yeah. So we love to entertain, so this backyard was an easy sell for us. We have like a little sitting area over here. We've got built-in speakers and everything. Plenty of places for Roxy to potty and explore. And then we've got a nice jacuzzi, so definitely one of my dreams to have a jacuzzi. And then we have a nice little pool. It's not too deep, but it's perfect for hanging out with friends and stuff. And It has a pretty basic outdoor kitchen. There's a little cooler here for drinks and everything, and I got a Scotsman ice maker that I'm putting in, and a sink. We have our smokers here, but right here I'm going to do a built-in barbecue and probably put the ice maker in right here. Barbecue's right there. Doesn't do much on the ground. But then we have a nice little grassy area. Our landscaper, Raymundo, we got to send him an email. He needs to pick it up over here in this corner. It's looking a little dry. One of the main problems we have is pigeons. The pigeons have been hanging out up on this window and pooping down here, so we're at war with them. It's probably the second quarter, and I think they're a little bit ahead, but we'll make it through. We got a little shed back here, and then this is the bathroom I was talking about. It's just make sure people aren't peeing in our pool or even pooping. So yeah, the backyard's pretty awesome. Wouldn't you agree?
Oh, it's the best. Roxy loves it.
So I did a lot of work to the pool equipment. I won't show you because it's nothing to look at, but had to replumb it, rewire it, and had a good time. But it's fully functioning now, and everything's looking good. So just off the living room, there's a little staircase that leads down to the laundry room, which is nothing crazy. And then we have my favorite part of the house, which is the garage. So it's still a work in progress. I've been working on some videos for some of the projects I'm working on, but so far I've upgraded the lighting. I still have to tuck all the wires for the lights. We've done the floors, and that's pretty much it. We have a lot of projects. We have an air compressor with 2 hose reels, so those will be mounted to the ceilings. Here's the ice maker that's going in. We've got the fridge. It's probably not going to stay here, but I'm waiting to get my cabinet array, but fully stocked fridge. And then over here we have our workbench. I'm probably going to rip out these cabinets and put some either New Age or maybe some, probably New Age cabinets from Costco over here. And so we'll do a full array across this wall. I still have to do the edge pieces, all the cut pieces for the flooring, but I wanted to get it down. And then over here we have a storage closet, so this will be where all my car parts are stored. So far we've got the G-Wagon wheels and some miscellaneous tools and stuff. Some of the other things that are going in this garage are, we have an air conditioner. We've got every Makita tool you can think of. We've got a steam cleaner. We got a pressure washer that's going to be built in for washing cars. And then we'll have built-in vacuum, and then we'll have some electrical cords coming down from the ceiling for polishing or whatever I need. But yeah, so most of this stuff is from Obsessed Garage, so I got to honor the source. Obsessed Garage, Matt Morman, kind of inspired this garage, and so we got the G-Wagon, we got the 535i, and then we got Julie's Acura RDX, and so these lights make it look like a showroom. These cars look brand new under this lights, but super happy the way it's coming out, but it's a huge mess right now. But I'll update you guys in some separate videos on how this goes. So now we'll head upstairs to the second half of the house. The first thing you do is you head up these stairs here right off the living room. And this is kind of like a half set of stairs, and it goes up. To the right is a master bedroom, but we'll show you that later. First we'll go up the rest of the stairs, which we got a little mirror here we haven't hung up, but it looks over the living room and everything. So then you come around this corner and you have one guest bedroom. So we have a California King in here. So it's a pretty good sized bedroom, and you have a walk-in closet. So, and then it also has a balcony. Can see a little bit of mountain range, but then you have over here this little cutout, which has become my studio. So this is where I'll edit my videos and stuff, and I'll probably film a lot in the garage once I figure out my setup in there. But it's a nice little setup, not as nice as Julie's, but good enough. And then when you come through here, you have a full bathroom. So it's a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So we have a sink and a little linen closet here. And then this part is shared where the shower is. So my mom got me this little Frenchy shower curtain, which I like, but it's a pretty nice shower. Nothing crazy, just white subway tile like everything else in Phoenix. And then Nice little toilet, little dumper. And then again, a sink and some closet space in here. So this leads to the other bedroom. So this one has a queen size bed, so it's not quite as big, but still good enough for guests. And it also has a balcony in here. So every room has a balcony. So this looks off into the backyard, but yeah, I was pretty happy with the size of the bedrooms and everything. And then now we'll go back to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is absolutely massive. We don't know what we're going to do with it yet, so most of it is empty. But so that's the staircase if you remember, but you walk right up in here. And this is the space that we don't really know what to do with. So far we've put our dresser in here, and that's about it. But over here is a closet. So did like a little organizer in here, but nothing crazy. And then it has a fireplace in here, so this is the third fireplace. And then we haven't finished the room yet, but we're going to hang the TV from the ceiling here in this corner and probably get like a little stand here. But here's the bed. Same bed I had in my old place. I love it. I love the little compartments where you can store stuff. And then also we have a balcony here, so this is probably the best view in the house. When you come out here, this is the front yard. But sunsets are pretty nice here, and it's a super quiet, nice neighborhood. There's only 20 custom homes in this neighborhood, so it's pretty tight-knit. All the neighbors are nice. The roads are really nicely paved, and so we really like it. But this is a super nice part of the master bedroom, is waking up to this view every morning. So definitely one of my prerequisites. Down there you can kind of see the city and some more mountains. Doesn't really pick up on camera because it's kind of out there, but you can see it if you squint. And then lastly, we have the master bathroom. So this is a toilet. And then in here is the closet, which is super cool. It's fully custom closet, so got all our stuff here. We got shoes, and then this thing spins. So you got bags, you got my shoes, and then whatever, my stupid stuff, and then back to Julie's shoes. So this is one of our favorite parts of the closet. Super cool. And then his and her sinks, nothing crazy there. And then the best part about the bathroom is the shower. So I'll turn it on for you guys. So you got body sprayers, 2 shower heads and everything. So super awesome shower. That's pretty much it. That's the whole house. So obviously the master bedroom is awesome. The backyard, the garage, the living room, everything fits our lifestyle and our needs. I love to entertain. I love to have people over, especially for the holidays. So super excited to have Thanksgiving here. So if you're looking for a place to have Thanksgiving, definitely come here. If you have any ideas on what we should do, any design ideas for this little room right here, definitely let us know. We're thinking it might end up becoming like a little mini living space, but probably never use it. The other thing I was thinking about doing is building this out to like a vanity and like a mirror and like a little makeup studio for Julie to get ready at. So that's one of the ideas we have, but not really sure. It's a lot of space and it feels weird having it empty. So let me know what your ideas are, and yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there. I know it's been a super long wait for this video, but we love the house. We can't wait to have people over, and so yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Roxy, say bye.
Say bye, Roxy. Give the camera some kisses.
Mess your brain up. I'm just really trying to show you no love. Say you tired and you need a new love.